creative, be smart.
In this lesson, we will going to cover the three tools of Adobe InDesign. The first one is shape tools. It's include rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool. It's work same as it is in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. If you are familiar with both softwares, then you have no issue to use these tools in Adobe InDesign. The next tool is scissor tool. It's also same and it's work similar in Adobe InDesign as well as in Adobe Illustrator. The next tool is scaling, pre-transform tool, rotate tool, scale tool. These all are very simple tools, but these all tools are very useful and the most common tools of Adobe InDesign. So let's start by selecting the rectangle tool. So I just selected the rectangle tool and I am going to make the rectangle. Now I am filling the rectangle with green color. So yeah, it's simple. So next tool is ellipse tool. You can make a circle or oval. So it's simple. Now I am filling the circle with blue color. Next tool is polygon tool. So here it is, filling the polygon with red color. So it's very simple. You can also, by after selecting the polygon tool, you can just click the right click on the document and you can set your polygon width, polygon height, number of sides, star inside. So it's a very simple. You can see that I am filling this polygon with yellow color. So these all are very simple tools, but it's very useful and the most common tools. So our next tool is scissor tool. So by selecting the scissor tool, you can use your scissor on different anchor points. Insert and check that you can cut your shape by using scissor tool how you want it to shape. So it's a very simple. So our next tool is free transform tool. By selecting this tool, you can transform your object freely. And check this. The object is cut it because I cut it by using the scissor tool. The scissor tool is also very important when you are needed to cut your object. You can see that by using the transform tool, you can easily transform your object freely. So another tool is rotate tool. By selecting the rotate tool, you can rotate your object. Okay. So it's a very useful and the most common tool. So the anchor point of the rotate tool is in center. So if you change the anchor point of the rotate tool, it can rotate accordingly to the anchor point. You can check this. It can rotate accordingly to the anchor point. So our next tool is scale tool. Scale tool is also a very useful tool. You can scale your object. You can check that. You can scale your object by using the anchor point of the scale. So another is also very simple tool is a shear tool. It can change the shape of the object by selecting the object. So here it is. You can shear your object. So here it is. It is a very simple tool. I hope you can get all details of the tools. So today we discuss the rectangle tool, ellipse tool and the polygon tool. The rectangle tool shortcut key is M, ellipse tool shortcut key is L, scissors tool shortcut key is C, free transform tool the shortcut key is E, rotate tool the shortcut key of rotate tool is R, scale tool the shortcut key of the scale tool is S, shear tool the shortcut key of the shear tool is O. So let's make your practice much better in these three tools. Make your life easier and better. Yeah, thank you.